See those hands up? Sing wandering. Wandering into the night, wanting a place to hide this weary soul, this bag of bones. I tried, oh I tried with all my might, but I just can't win the fight. I'm slowly drifting, a vagabond. Let's declare this. And just when I ran out road, I met a man I didn't know, and he told me that I was not alone. He picked me up, he turned me around, he placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, oh I thank the Savior, because he healed my heart, he changed my name, forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master, oh I thank the Savior, and I thank God. Hey, come on, get a little jump in your step. I cannot deny what I've seen. Got no choice but to believe. My doubts are burning like ashes in the wind. Since so long to my old friends, burden and bitterness, you can't just keep it moving. Now you're welcome here. From now until I walk the streets of gold, sing of how you saved my soul. This wayward son has found his way back home. He picked me up, he turned me around, he placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, oh I thank the Savior, because he healed my heart, he changed my name, forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master, oh I thank the Savior, yes I thank God. That's what we thank you for all you've done, yeah, for all you've done, we thank you. Come on, let's declare this truth. I lost another one. Oh, hell lost another one. I am free. I am free. Yes, I am free. Hell lost another one. I am free. I am free. Yes, I am free. Oh, hell lost another one. I am free. I am free. Yes, I am free. Oh, hell lost another one. I am free. I am free. Come on, for whoever you trust in for this. Hell lost another one. I am free. Yes, it did. Oh, yes, it did. Oh, hell lost another one. I am free. I am free. Hell lost another one. Hell lost another one. I am free. Oh, I am free. Yes, I am free. Oh, hell lost another one. I am free. I am free. Sing it, pick me up. Oh, he picked me up, he turned me around, he placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, oh I thank the Savior, because he healed my heart, he changed my name, forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master, oh I thank the Savior, I thank God. We thank you for your resurrection.
So if you're looking for more detailed breakdowns, check out the Worship Guitar Club, where we offer deep dive tutorials with additional resources like PDF transcriptions and play along tracks. Plus, we supercharge all our video lessons with cutting edge technology, allowing you to see the tabs in real time alongside the video. We can loop sections, slow down parts, and add in fretboard view and much more. You're also getting access to the Worship Guitar Skills Lounge, where you can chat with myself, other WGS teachers, and worship guitarists across the globe, along with monthly live Q&A sessions. all this incredible value for a very, very low price. Check it out at worshipguitarclub.com.